Good day, ma'am. I am Gia Angela Fajardo, your student nurse for today po. Today po, I will be general surveying you to detect any possible issues. Will that be okay to you, ma'am? Okay, start na po tayo. What is your full name po?
Janelle Angeli Pahart,
When is your birthday po?
February 26, 2009.
Okay, ngayon po, ma'am, may mga sasabihin lang po ako and kailangan nyo lang po itong gawin. Okay lang po ba? Okay, can you close your eyes po? Okay, open. Can you smile for me po? Okay. Can you puff your cheeks po? Okay. Next naman po, may mga sasabihin po akong words and kailangan nyo lang po itong ulitin sa akin. Can you say numbness po?
Numbness.
No. Okay, can you say general?
General.
Okay, can you say vacuum?
Vacuum.
Okay, next po. Can you say readiness?
Readiness.
Okay. Ma'am, ano po itong hawak ko?
Ballpen.
Ito po, ano pong kulay nito?
White.
Okay, yun lamang po sa ngayon, ma'am. Thank you po for your time and participation. Thank you po.